Hello, little stars. Welcome back to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Today, we have a fun story to read together. Are you excited to listen and learn new words?
Yes, Mom, I love stories. Let's begin our reading adventure. The snowflake who didn't want to melt. In the big white sky lived a tiny sparkling snowflake named Shimmer. Shimmer was happy, but it had a big worry. It did not want to melt. It loved being a sparkly frozen snowflake. Shimmer drifted down. It passed a big, fluffy white cloud. The cloud gave a little giggle as Shimmer floated by. The cloud whispered, "Don't worry, little one. The ground is waiting for you." Shimmer felt a little better and continued to drift. Pling, pling. Shimmer landed on a frosty rooftop. It slid a little whoosh and then bounced off a shiny icicle. It felt so good to be frozen and sparkly. The wind carried Shimmer down even further. It landed on a little girl's nose and gave a little tickle. Giggle. The girl laughed and said, "Look, a beautiful snowflake." Shimmer floated away and landed on a big icy puddle. Plop, plop. It bounced, feeling safe and cold, but then the sun peeked out from behind a cloud. Shimmer felt a little warm and started to worry again. "Oh no, I'm going to melt." A tiny bird landed nearby. "Why the sad-faced little snowflake?" it chirped. Shimmer said, "I'm afraid to melt. I don't want to disappear forever." The bird sang a sweet song. "When you melt, you don't disappear. You become a drop of water. Water helps flowers grow and fills the rivers and lakes." Shimmer thought about this. It imagined becoming a drop of water, helping a beautiful flower bloom, and joining a big gushing river. It didn't feel so scared anymore. It felt excited. One sun shone warm and bright. Shimmer felt a little wish. It turned into a tiny drop of water. It joined a little stream and flowed to a big, beautiful river. Shimmer learned that every end is a new beginning and change can be beautiful.
That was a wonderful story. I loved reading with you today. Remember, every day is a new chance to discover more words and stories.
Thank you, friends. Keep reading and smiling. Bye bye.